Okay, so in this tutorial, I want to go over how to create a Facebook funnel and how to create an opt-in page without having to capture an email. All right, so I have a simple opt-in page here. I have a headline, a header too, and I have my email capture form here. Now, how it normally works is a person comes to this page and they see they have to put in their email. They may put in their email or they may not, and you may lose the user at this point. Another thing that may happen is they may give you a false email. Okay, so there's a simpler way to do this and still get that email and actually get in a more effective way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to get rid of this. I'm going to replace it with a simple button, and it's going to be the login with Facebook button. Now I'm going to show you how this works. So if we come over here, we see in a regular situation with the email opt-in, we have our opt-in page here. The user is going to put in their email. Once they put in their email, they're going to come here to our sales page. Once they're here, they're going to be put on our email list. All right, which is not a bad system. However, there is a better way to do this. When we replace this email capture form with this Facebook button, it becomes very, very simple. So now, instead of having to put in the email, it's just a simple click here. It brings them to this page, which is going to authorize the app or not. And it's a simple yes or no click here. When they click yes, it's going to bring them to the sales page. And then now they're going to be put on your email list. And they're also going to be sent a Facebook notification. Okay, now this is very effective in opposed to simply just doing email, because with a Facebook notification, they either go to our phone, and we always have them, or when we see this little red flag up here, most of us, we have to click on it, just to see what it is. And also, we get the first couple sentences of the actual message. So it allows you to actually reach the user and get a much better conversion rate. All right. Now, if they do click no, they come here to your no page. All right. And if they click no, they still have another chance to come here to your sales page. So to better understand how this all ties together, we have to work with it backwards. So the first thing we want to do is create our yes page or our sales page, which is right here. All right, once we have our sales page, we're going to create a no page. This is the page that they go to if they decide that they don't want to go through with the process. All right, now we also call this a double opt-in or double opt-out because they still have another chance to come back to your sales page. That is why we place a yes or no button here. Now you have the option of ending the funnel at this point or creating yet another page for them in order to give them another chance to come back. All right, that is all up to you. All right, now after you create your no page, you want to create an email list. That is going to be in another tutorial. We'll go over how to do that, but you'll create that in our email marketing platform. Now, once you have your email list, you want to go create the Facebook app itself. So what we do is we come here to our Facebook integration, and we're going to fill out all of this. And I did make another tutorial so that you can better understand how this works. But basically, once we come through here, this is where our list is going to go. This is where our no page is going to go if they select not to go forward. And this is going to be what happens when they say yes. Okay? Now, the next thing we have to do is configure the opt-in. So once we've actually created a Facebook app, which I've already done, I'll come over here and I'll come here to my Facebook apps. All right, so I already have this created for you. Now, the next thing you want to do is once you have your app, you're going to get this code. You want to copy this code here, and then you want to come back to your page, your editor. You're going to come to your Facebook button, and you're going to right click, go into the action, and then you're going to link to a web address. All right, now once we link to the web address, we're going to paste that here, our code, and we're going to select open in a new window and select OK. Now all we have to do is preview, and then once we preview and select our button, let this load up for a few moments. Okay, so you're going to bring up Facebook. Now, since I've already went through and selected yes, it's not going to give me that yes notification, that yes or no here. But it brings me to my page here. All right, and that is how you make your Facebook funnel work. All right, so I will talk to you in another tutorial. Thank you.